How to fix Geometry Dash not opening and crashing on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to check is your internet connection, whether it is stable or not. You can open your settings. You can switch the network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. And then you can check whether your problem will be solved or not. Now heading towards the solution, open your App Store, search for the app Geometry Dash. After app appears, if you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open your settings app. Scroll down, open the option General. Open the option iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Head back, open the option Background App Refresh. Disable Background App Refresh for Geometry Dash. Likewise, head back, open the option iPhone storage. Scroll down, find the app Geometry Dash. Once you find it, open it. Click on Upload App. Click on Upload App. Uploading app will clear all the cache of the app. Once you upload it, again reinstall it. And then you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, you can give a fresh restart to your device. For that, head back. Go to the main page of settings. Open the option General. Scroll all the way down. Click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. And again turn it back. Now heading to our very last solution, what you can do is uninstall Geometry Dash app and reinstall it. For that, long press on the app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App. Once you delete the app, again open your App Store, search for the app Geometry Dash and install it. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix Geometry Dash not opening and crashing on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.